Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of complex numbers. As per the problem, simplify the expression and write the result in standard form a plus bi. We are given the expression -20 plus square root of -50 over -10. Let's start by analyzing this expression. The first step is to simplify the term square root of -50. As you may know, square root of a negative number is not a real number. So we have to use the imaginary unit I to simplify square root of -50. -50 can be written as 50 times -1 under the square root. As you may know, -1 is equal to I square, so we should replace -1 with I square. Next, we can simplify the term square root of 50 times I square by applying the square root separately to both 50 and I square. So we get square root of 50 times square root of I square. Square root of 50 is not a whole number, but we can simplify square root of 50 by breaking it up into a perfect square factor. 50 is equal to 25 times 2, so we can write square root of 50 as square root of 25 times 2. And square root of I square is equal to just I over -10. We get I from square root of I square because the square root and the square on the I cancel each other out, so we are left with just I. Next, we can simplify the numerator. Square root of 25 is equal to 5, so we can rewrite the term as 5 times square root 2I. The 2 stays under the square root because we cannot simplify square root of 2. Next, we can reduce the terms in this expression. We should do common factoring in the numerator. We can factor out -5 from both terms in the numerator. We want to factor out the negative with the 5 because the first term in the numerator, -20, is a negative term. So we can factor out -5 and we are left with 4 minus square root 2I. So 5 square root 2I changes to negative square root 2I because we are factoring out a negative number. We can also think of it as dividing the term 5 square root 2I by -5 because we are factoring out -5. We can reduce 5 and -5. So we get square root 2I over -1, which is equivalent to minus square root 2I. So that's how we get this in the numerator. Next, we can reduce -5 and -10. The negative signs cancel each other out and we can reduce 5 and 10. I get 4 minus square root 2I over 2. We have to write the result in standard form, a plus bi, so we should break up this expression into two fractions. The first fraction is the real part of the complex number, 4 over 2, and the imaginary part is negative square root 2 over 2I. We can reduce the fraction 4 over 2. This should be the final answer for the result in standard form a plus bi. As per this result, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to negative square root 2 over 2. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.